This video will review the configuration options available for the Masking Assistant within Measure. Using the Masking Assistant allows organizations to set standard masking protocols and ensure they're followed by all providers. With the Masking Assistant, hints can also be enabled to remind providers of appropriate masking procedures. Settings for the Masking Assistant feature should be configured for both air and bone conduction testing. To configure your Masking Assistant settings, open Measure and select Tools, followed by Test Definitions. We'll first review the Masking Assistant settings for air conduction. Select the Air Conduction Test, then Edit. In the Editor window, select the Masking Assistant tab. This is where Masking Assistant, as well as masking hints, can be toggled on and off. Enabling hints will activate the option to then select Masking Assistant. If only masking hints are selected, the clinician will see exclamation marks on the audiogram where masking is indicated. Here, you can also hide the Masking Assistant when storing thresholds. This will enable the masking hint, but not show the assistant when the threshold is stored. When Auto Store is enabled, the system will automatically store the masking threshold when a plateau has been reached. Intraoral attenuation should be changed only based on the locally accepted guidelines from professionally recognized bodies. Frequency-specific intraoral attenuation levels can also be utilized. Initial masking level is defined as the threshold of the non-test ear plus a certain intensity level. This will default to 10 dB, but can be adjusted. The masking increment steps can also be changed here, to either 5 dB or 10 dB. Follow the same steps to adjust Masking Assistant settings for bone conduction audiometry. Similar settings are available, as well as the ability to adjust the air-bone gap that will trigger the need for masking. Additionally, default occlusion effect intensities can be adjusted. To save your configurations, click OK and then close the Test Definition window. You will be prompted to restart the Measure software to apply your changes.